Hey beauties, two latex outfits, same material, same color, but one look cheap and the other look luxury. Today I will show you exactly how to make latex outfit look expensive, even on budget. Welcome back to another brand new video. Welcome back to my channel, RC Infinite Fashion. My dearest Arsians, luxury starts here when you choose the right color, so choose it wisely according to your skin tone. Dear viewers, nothing ruins a latex outfit faster than a bad fit. If it's too tight, it will look uncomfortable. If it's too loose, it loses its structure. For a classy latex looks, go for a soft glam makeup. Keep hair sleek or softly styled. Avoid overly dramatic combination. Dearest viewers, next time when you will wear latex outfit, remember that latex is already a statement material. You don't need to overdo it. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more classy fashion guide. Take care.